So many of the same thing. So we have 1 meter of a fabric costs $5.10. Fill in the table. So $5.10 equals to 1 meter. How much is 2 meters going to be? 2 meters of fabric is going to cost. So what we do is just $5.10 times 2 to figure that out. So 0 times 2 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 2 meters of fabric is going to cost us $10.20. So that's how much it would cost. Now for 3 meters of fabric, we would just multiply $5.10 times 3. So 0 times 3 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. So 3 meters of fabric costs $15.30. And for 4 meters of fabric, we would just do $5.10 times 4. 0 times 4 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. So $20.40 it would cost for 4 meters of fabric. $20.40. So for 5 meters of fabric, you would just do $5.10 times 5. So 0 times 5 is 0, 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So we have $25.50 for 5 meters of fabric. For 6 meters of fabric, we would just do $5.10 times 6. 0 times 6 is 0, and 6 times 1 is 6, and 5 times 6 is 30. So $30.60 would be 6 meters of fabric, how much that would cost. Now we have 7 meters of fabric, so we would just do is $5.10 times 7. So 0 times 7 is 0, 7 times 1 is 7, and 5 times 7 is 35. So we have $35.70. For 8 pieces of fabric, 8 meters of fabric, we would do $5.10 times 8. So 0 times 8 is 0, 8 times 1 is 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. So for 8 meters of fabric, it's going to cost us $40.80. And for 9 meters of fabric, what we'll do is $5.10 times 9. So 0 times 9 is 0, and 9 times 1 is 9, and 5 times 9 is 45. So for 9 meters of fabric, it's going to cost us $45.90. So it goes into a pattern. We're just, as you can see, and we filled in the table. So these are all the final answers to the table right here. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept here.